The part numbers, the upper, lower. You take this cover off to get some. I'm gonna use this deal. Hopefully it's the right size. Comes with the little pack of that seeds stuff, whatever. Took off the negative battery. Gotta take this still off first, just to lift this cover off. And the upper didn't come with the anti-seize, but it was already on there. Yeah. I'm gonna take this metal piece off. It's on there like that, and the wires in these, and it just comes off. See the difference? Crispy. Try scratching it a little bit. Yeah, scratch it a little bit. Let's see. It's like caked on there. It's pretty thick. Hopefully I get better gas mileage. There's new ones. Nice and clean. And that's the upper stream and downstream. Not too bad. This one was it NTK? Yeah, the NTK. So this one was replaced a while back. This one I can't see. Yeah, I believe that one's a stock one. 10 years been on there. I don't know about the downstream though, but it got replaced.